and welcome to healthyhouseplants.com, where we teach you all about gardening in the great indoors. If you'd like to support our show, please use our Amazon affiliate link below. Today I'm going to talk to you about why you want to keep your houseplants cleaned up. Besides the fact that it makes them look better, it's also really important because it helps prevent pests and diseases, especially pests. Pests, when they see old plant leaf litter, things like that, parts of the stem that aren't doing well, leaves that really need to be removed, they will go to that first because it is already started to break down, so it's easier for them to then feed on. And also they're just doing their job because outside in nature, the pests, their job is to break down already decaying matter, like fallen leaves and branches and things, and plants that are decaying and not doing well, etc. So that is their job. So that being said, you don't want to make that any of your, and if you do have indoor pests, which you hopefully don't have or have too many, but there's generally speaking some lying in wait here and there. So you don't want to give them basically a really good meal with that decaying vegetation on your plants. So keep them nice and pruned up and healthy. So this one I will be repotting too, and also you want to do this before you repot. So I'm going to prune out a little bit here. And then look around inside the plant. A lot of times there'll be little leaves maybe that are just have already died, that they're sitting in there starting to decay. So look around on the top of the soil, and then as mentioned, make sure there's no pieces that are browning on the plant itself. There's a leaf here that looks a little browny, so I'm going to get it off of there. So just in general, go through your plants on a regular basis, snip out what is decaying, dying. If there's, like on African violets, when the African violet flowers are done, get those out of there. I do have a video on how to prune out African violets. I'll put a link for that below, as well as other videos that are applicable to this video. And there you go for why you want to keep them pruned and trimmed up. Besides the fact that it helps you create and keep a nice form for the plant, it also prevents pest and disease infections, and it also will make the plant start growing more in wherever you have pruned it, so that you get growth, a nice even growth all the way around. If you let one area have a bunch of dead and decaying matter on it for quite a while, that the plant is going to stop growing in that area because it doesn't have new vegetation photosynthesizing in that area, and so it doesn't have the energy, the plant isn't having energy going to that area, and therefore it will start to die back. So if you've ever found, like, you know that there's a stem on your plant that you really need to prune back, but then you don't have time, and then you wait a while and you go back and you notice, oh geez, now that whole area has gotten big, so I've lost a chunk of the area, and then you have to prune out that particular area and then wait for it to grow back in again. So regular pruning, maintaining, pinching out leaves and pruning them out with sharp pruners will help you prevent that, so you have nice even growth at all times. Thank you for stopping by today. Please leave any comments about any indoor gardening tutorials you'd like to see. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video, and please check the bell if you'd like to be notified when new videos are released.